Welcome to the assembly instructions for your House of Party Bouquet of Joy balloon creation. We will walk you through step by step how to make your creation as you follow along. Feel free to pause the video between steps if needed. Prepare your 260 long balloons. Inflate each balloon once, then deflate it completely. This helps improve flexibility and makes the balloons easier to twist, shape, and work with during assembly. Now let's begin making the tulip style flowers. Take one red 260 balloon and inflate it to a maximum of 80%. Once inflated, tie the end securely. Next, twist the balloon into 6 equal sections. Try to keep each section as even as possible so the flower shape looks balanced. After creating 6 sections, shape the balloon into a hexagon. Bring the ends together and tie them to secure the shape. Now twist each pair of opposite sections together. These twists will form the petals of the tulip. Continue adjusting the balloon gently until it creates a tulip-style flower shape. Next, inflate one green 260 balloon and tie the end securely. This balloon will become the stem and leaves for your tulip. To create the leaves, make 3 loops with the green balloon. Twist the loops together at the base so they hold their shape. Once the leaves are formed, attach the tulip to the green stem. Repeat with 1 red and 1 pastel pink balloon to make 2 more tulips. Make the daisy style flowers. Take 1 rose red 260 balloon and inflate it to 80%. Tie the end securely, create 1 loop with the balloon, then lock twist it to form 1 petal. Continue creating loops until you have 6 petals in total. Try to keep each loop the same size so the daisy looks even and full. Once all 6 petals are complete, twist them together securely in the center. Then inflate 1 green 260 balloon and tie the end. Create 1 small loop. This small loop will become the center. Place the small loop through the center of the daisy style flower. Repeat with 1 red and 1 rose red balloon to make 2 more daisies. Now let's make the hyacinth flowers. Take 1 white 260 balloon and inflate it halfway. Start by creating a small bubble at one end of the balloon. Twist it a few times to secure it. Next, create a second bubble and twist it around, then create a third bubble and twist again. Continue repeating this bubble pattern to build the hyacinth flower shape. Repeat the process 4 times, then tie the end to secure the flower. Make sure the bubbles sit close together and face in the same direction so the flower looks full and neat. Next, inflate one green 260 balloon and tie the ends securely to create the leaves. Make 3 loops with the green balloon, twist the loops together at the base so they hold their shape. Once the leaves are formed, attach the hyacinth to the green stem. Repeat with one more white 260 balloon to create one more hyacinth. Now, let's make the bow. Tie the bouquet with an uninflated green 260 balloon to keep all the flowers together. Then inflate one white 260 balloon, wrap it around the stems, leave a small bubble at the end, and tie it securely. Next, inflate another white 260 balloon. Divide it into 4 sections by twisting. This will create the bow shape. Then twist the bow onto the bouquet to secure it in place. Optional step, trim the stems. If any green balloon ends are sticking out at the bottom of the bouquet, tie a knot at the end of each stem to secure it, then carefully cut off the extra balloon tail. This will help the bottom of the bouquet look clean, neat, and finished. And that's it. Your bouquet of joy balloon creation is complete.